Good afternoon. I bet you're sick of us all now. Me picking on Michaela, Chloe, Tiana, who's not going to be with us long. She's going to be married. Is that One Direction on the front there? You should have got one of them. They're loaded. Harry.
I love Harry.
Sorry. Harry. What's the other one?
Liam.
No, on the other side.
Louis.
Yeah, Louis and Louis and I'm just going to write that down. How do you spell Louis?
Louis.
Oh, just normal. Louis and Harry. Okay.
That's not normal, that's Lewis.
Why are you writing their names?
Because of where they are. I just find it amusing. Okay, now let's get back to tax. No one saw that, so we're safe. All right, so let's go.
Oh, God.
Margaret, Joanne and Kayla decide to set up a catering business. Okay, Margaret, Joanne and Kayla. Margaret, Joanne and Kayla. They set up a catering business. The important thing out of this is there's 3 people. Don't worry about the catering business. They expect a taxable income of around about $210,000 per annum. $210,000 per annum. Okay, Fazila, PA per annum, per year. Yep, per year, per annum. It says calculate the tax each person will pay if their business profits were shared equally. Now, firstly, we do equal. Equal. We just take 210,000, divide by 3. Each person gets $70,000. What do we do with that $70,000? We look up the tax table on page 186 and we just say $70,000. The tax table says that's 3,572 plus 32.5 cents in the dollar. That's over 37,000. So over 37,000. And you just put that into your calculator and work it out. Okay, this is the only time you're using a tax table, and you just have to find the band they're in, look at the tax rate, and it's over a certain amount of money. So you just work it out like that. So the first question will be, what happens when they share it equally? The next question will be, what happens if the profits were split 50, 30, 20? What happens if the profits were, Margaret is 50%. Who's Jay? Joanne is 30%. And Kayla is 20%. Now, you do realise that 50 and 30 and 20 all add up to 100%, so that works out okay. Now, firstly, you've got to work out what their share of the profit is. Now, 50% is a half, so a half of that is 105,000. So this one gets 105,000. 30% is 3/10. 1/10 is 21,000. 3/10 is 63,000. 20% is a fifth. Okay? So a fifth of that should be 42,000. Now, just as a check, they all have to add up to 210,000. So that's 168, add the 2 is 170, add the 40 is 210. So I've done that okay. Now, I go back to my tax table on the previous page, and 105,000, that's between 80 and 180. So this person here pays 17,547 plus 37 cents, which I call 0.37. Anything over 80,000, it's 105,000, take 80,000. Okay, just put that whole statement can just go into your calculator. Okay, the next person, 63,000, is in another tax bracket. They pay 3,572. 3,572 plus 32.5 cents of anything over 37,000. So it's 63,000, take 37,000. And you just put that into your calculator and work it out. The last person earns 42,000. That's in the same tax bracket. So it's 3,572 plus 0.325 and it's 42,000, take 37,000. And that's what you have to be able to do. Okay, so let's say farewell to Louis and Harry.